What I loved about Miss Tony's training session is how insightful and engaging it is. I've learned a lot into how I should present myself in public and how to carry myself in front of our clients and in engaging with my colleagues. I should exude that authentic confidence, and I learned that from Miss Tony. So thank you, Miss Tony.
We are able to reflect on who we really are as a leader and how can we project, and being a leader is all about consistency. Thank you po, Miss Tony, for the inspiration and empowerment to all of us. Thank you so much.
I love Miss Tony Miranda's authenticity and passion. Her talk on actualizing credibility and executive presence for leaders was truly inspiring. She has a unique way of communicating with her audience, speaking with such sincerity, grace, and wisdom. I really admire how she empowers leaders to embrace their true selves and lead with confidence, purpose, and heart. Thank you.
It reinforced the importance of consistently presenting ourselves well, and most importantly, she emphasized working on our hearts, because when our intentions are pure and our values are right, that inner beauty naturally radiates outward.
I am truly grateful for the opportunity to discover and redefine my purpose as a leader, one that aims to create a meaningful and lasting impact for DBP. Thank you, Ms. Tony, for being an inspiring example of transformation and excellence.
I am thankful for the ACE program. As a new leader, it gave me clarity and confidence in defining my leadership brand and mastering executive presence. Ms. Tony's blend of personal branding and legacy building is truly transformative. Thank you, Ms. Tony, and thank you, Regents.
I am grateful for this very insightful session, and I'm as well thankful for the practical takeaways, and I'm very excited to put them into practice. Thank you, Ms. Tony, for your dedication to make this session very impactful.